In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a centralized SOP board in Trello. We're diving back into Trello to build a simple, reliable system for your standard operating procedures. Whether you're opening the app for the first time or just polishing your workflow, this process will keep your documentation organized, clear, and easy for your team to follow. Start by creating a dedicated board for SOPs. Don't mix procedures with daily tasks or project boards. A single centralized SOP board keeps everything safe, tidy, and easy to find, and it reduces the risk of accidental deletions. Give the board a clear, recognizable name so anyone on your team knows exactly what lives there. Next, organize the board with lists that represent your categories or departments. Think horizontally: marketing, human resources, finance, operations, customer support. Whatever fits your world. Keep the list names short and consistent. This structure becomes your roadmap, so when someone needs a process, they can head straight to the right list without digging. Within each list, create one card per procedure. Every distinct SOP deserves its own card, which makes it easy to search, maintain, and update. On the front of the card, use an action-oriented title like How to Process Refunds or Setting Up a New Hire Email. Clear titles help teammates pick the right card at a glance. On the back of the card, use the description to write the full procedure in plain language. Include what the process is for, any prerequisites or tools needed, and the exact steps to complete it. Inside each SOP card, add a checklist for step-by-step execution. Checklists turn your written instructions into a practical to-do path that anyone can follow and check off as they go. If it's a longer process, group related steps into separate checklists to keep things tidy and reduce overwhelm. Attach the resources people need to succeed. Use Trello's attachment feature to link related files, shared documents, or templates right to the card. Keeping everything in one place minimizes back and forth and ensures everyone's using the latest version. Finally, add labels to your cards so they're easy to filter. Color code by scope, urgency, or status, whatever helps your team scan the board and move confidently. Be consistent with label names so filtering stays meaningful across the entire board. If you found value in today's video, hitting like is a small gesture that helps others discover this content. We're always looking to grow, so drop a comment with what helped you most or how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.